Hello friends, in this tutorial we will learn how to calculate equivalent conductance, specific conductance, length between the electrodes or area of cross section. If any two or three quantities are given, then it is easy to calculate the fourth one. Again, this tutorial is related with calculation of equivalent conductance, molar conductance, specific conductance. So all these different type of conductance can be calculated. So we will see the numericals regarding the calculation of such type of different factors. We will see one by one. Out of that we have considered the first one. So the first numerical. So numerical is given like this one. 0.5 normal solution of a diabasic acid surrounding two platinum electrodes 2.3 cm apart and 4.6 square cm in area was found to be offer a resistance of 25 ohm at 30 degree. Normality of solution is given, it is 0.5 normal. That two platinum electrodes, that means the distance between two electrodes, it is 2.3 cm and area of cross section is 4.6. And after giving this information, what we have to calculate? We have to calculate specific, equivalent and molar conductance. So we know the formulas, that is R is equal to rho into L by A. That means the simple resistance of any wire or conductor, that is always directly proportional to the length of the conductor and inversely proportional to the area of cross section. So by using this equation you can calculate specific conductance, because first of all you will get specific resistance, we can calculate it. Then the formula for specific conductance is nothing but it is a simple reciprocal of specific resistance, that is K is equal to 1 by rho, and formula for equivalent and molar conductance, that is lambda V is equal to K into 1000 by N, or lambda M is equal to K into 1000 by M, that is for molar conductance. Now first of all we have to write the given data. Now what is given? You can see here L, that is equal to 2.3 centimeter, A is equal to 4.6 centimeter, R is equal to 25 ohms, N is equal to 0.5 gram equivalent per liter. Now it is 0.5 gram equivalent per liter, but if you read carefully the numerical, it looks that it is a diabasic acid. In the numerical solution of diabasic acid it is mentioned. So what is meant by diabasic acid? So it can gives two H plus ions for the neutralization of two OH minus ions. So that is nothing but diabasic acid. So acid which gives H plus ions, but it is diabasic, that means it neutralizes to the two OH minus ions. So it is because of what we can write, M is equal to 0.5 by 2, that is equal to 0.25. So how this 0.25 comes? Because of it is acid is diabasic, due to which it is 0.25. Now just put up in the formula rho is equal to R into A by L, because our formula is R is equal to rho into L by A. So what we can write for rho, it is R into A by L. Put up all the values, that is for R, then area of cross section, and then length. After putting all the values and calculation, after calculation you will get rho is equal to 50 ohm centimeter. Now just put up in the specific conductance equation, K is equal to 1 by rho, that is 1 by 50, because value of rho is 50. So it is 0.02, remember the unit, per ohm per centimeter, or it is simply Siemens per centimeter. And if you have to convert into per meter, just divide it by 10 raised to minus 2. So it is 0.02 upon 10 raised to minus 2. It will give simply 2 Siemens per meter. So that is about the specific conductance. In this way you can calculate specific conductance. Now we have to calculate the equivalent conductance. Same formula, lambda V is equal to K into 1000 by N. Put up the value of K into 1000 upon normality, that is 0.5. Value of specific conductance just we have determined 0.02, and then you will see the answer, that is lambda V is equal to 40. Unit for specific conductance K into per ohm. Lambda V is equal to 40, so unit for K is per ohm centimeter square per equivalent. And when we have to convert into Siemens, that is 40 upon 10 raised to 4, that is it become 40 into 10 raised to minus 4, that is simply 4 into 10 raised to minus 3 Siemens meter square per equivalent. That is the SI unit for the calculation. You can use same, or by using another method which is given in this numerical. I have written there or. So lambda V is simply K by C, that is equal to K by N. Put up the value of K, then concentration, and it is simply converted into cm square per equivalent. So you have to write 0.02 upon 0.5 into 10 raised to 3 per liter. Then you can calculate per equivalent. So lambda V is equal to 40 per ohm centimeter square per equivalent. So in this way you can calculate equivalent conductance. So now you can calculate by using same formula molar conductance. Lambda m is equal to K into 1000 upon capital M, that is the molarity. So 0.02 into 1000 upon 0.25, that is equal to calculation, you will get 80 per ohm centimeter square per mole. Or by using the same formula which we have used just before for the calculation of equivalent conductance, that is the other method, lambda m is equal to K by C, or that is equal to K by M. Only replace capital N by M. So normality is replaced by molarity. So after putting the values, that is for K, then concentration, that is the molarity, so you will get 0.02 upon 0.25 into 10 raised to 3 upon liter, that is we have to determine for 4 liter. So you will get the answer, lambda m is equal to 80 per ohm centimeter square per mole. So in this way we have to solve this numerical. Now we will see the next numerical in next part.